Seabream puzzle, where the goal is to separate these two fish. Starting position will be the silver piece on the left. Also, we have like a small cutout here, with a gap between the tail and the head, and we are going to use the gap and the cutout. We are going to place the golden piece on the cutout, and now we're going to rotate the golden piece, and like you can see, the fin passed through the gap. If you have some difficulties, just move left and right the golden piece and that should work, like you can see. Now I bring back the golden piece here. I'm in these positions, and now I'm going to rotate the two pieces, but the silver piece is going to rotate clockwise and the golden piece is going to rotate counterclockwise. Donc just rotate, rotate, rotate. Here maybe you just need to play a few with the piece to find the right positions. And like you can see, the two pieces are free. To put back, the same, silver piece on the left, golden piece will be on the right. The tail of the golden piece will be placed above this one, the head in the back. Donc this way. Alors we just play with the two pieces, rotate until we bring back the two tail, if I can say, inside. Sometimes it's difficult to find the right positions, but we just need to play, and we are here. Now I'm going to bring back the golden piece on the cutout, this way. I'm just going to rotate the golden piece towards the back. Maybe move left and right to pass the gap. Continue to rotate. We rotate. And finally, the puzzle is back in its original positions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment. And until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.